Here's a new offering from Vango. It's called the Tolga. Really like the style of this awning. Do it in two different colours, so that's the one colour. You can see that one over there. They do a blue one as well. Again, they've took into consideration this can fit either side of a van in terms of the style, so it pulls away from the van, so it can be fitted either side. Nice design on this one. Comes with a brow on the front. I'll tell you what I like about this awning. When you pull the straps in to pull it closer to the van, the strap is actually sewn in this seam here where the red is, so it actually pulls it up and in towards the van, so you get a nice close fit there. Quality materials as you usually get from Vango, and they do again. This is the air version. Very high. I'm stood up in here now. Loads of headroom. I think in terms of bedrooms for this one, it's the universal bedroom that Vango do that you need to pop up inside. But yes, I can see this being a popular one for 2020. There's the Vango Magra. Just a couple of shots. So this is the other colour that you can get the Tolga in as well. This is nice. This will look really nice on a Acapulco blue van, which I happen to have. Great design again with this swoop. Different kind of canopy, so it's wider this side than it is at this side. I'm just talking to one of the guys, and the reason behind that is if you are using it the wrong way around on a van like it is here, then you're not having to walk around this part to get in your tailgate. But yeah, really nice design again. Fits either side of the van because you've got this brow on this side. Let's just get a shot this side. Yeah, really nice. I like this one a lot. I think this will be the one I'd purchase for sure. So that's a quick look at the mouths. Here's the new Vango Windbreak. Obviously air windbreak, you can see. There you go. So the beauty of this is, it comes with, I'll just grab that, a figure of 8 beading there. So you can keep attaching panels over and over again to your heart's content, and also feed that into your caravan awning rail if you've got a caravan. So it's nice sealed to the van, so if you've got pets and things like that, so I'll keep them close. Got a nice sturdy bit of kit. You see on the stand they've got 2 there, and then obviously your optional extras, and you just keep on going with it as far as you want.